the National Weather Service. For the following county, Cook, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing torrential rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chicago, Oak Lawn, Blue Island, Alsip, Hinsdale, Midlothian, Justice, Summit, Worth, Burridge, Posen, Willow Springs, Midway Airport, Burbank, Evergreen Park, Palos Hills, Chicago Ridge, Hickory Hills, Western Springs, and Crestwood, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 277 and 282. Interstate 57 near mile marker 350. This includes Toyota Park, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, and Moraine Valley Community College. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.